All right, so let's just get straight into the dropshipping vendors. Like I said, I have 5 for you guys. The first is DSER. So if you ever want to know how to sync AliExpress with Shopify, it's through DSER. DSERS actually. It used to be with Overload, but they no longer are available. So what you do is you'll sync with DSER, and this is what it looks like. So yeah, DSER is free. They do have different plans. Y'all see how many reviews they got? 5.0, 8,000, dang near 9,000 reviews. DSER is official. For all my clients, dropshipping baddie boutiques, or just any dropshipping store that I make or sell, I use DSER. I do use other vendors, but for the most part, I do use DSER. Excuse me if I sound a little stuffy. My nose, my allergies is allergy in. I do sound like a little stopped up. So as you know, they do have a 14-day free trial, but it is free to use. So I do make pre-made dropshipping baddie boutique stores or dropshipping stores. For the most part, it is like fashion related. All vendors that I use for my pre-made dropshipping stores, they are free. No vendors charge. If they do, I would list it in the description. So like I said, they do have dang near 19,000 reviews, which is crazy. But yeah, so DSER is one, which is aka AliExpress. I already made a video about how to sync AliExpress with DSER. Click this icon at the top to watch that video. And then another app I have for you guys. So the second vendor I have for you guys is my online fashion store, aka CC's Wholesale Clothing. Now, every vendor that I'm listing, I've shopped and bought samples, you know what I'm saying? So click the link in the description to get my full vendors list, or to watch other videos of me reviewing vendors, because I do review vendors now on my channel. So as you can see, it's $9 a month. They have a 14-day free trial. I don't really use them for my pre-made dropshipping boutiques because they do charge. But $9 a month, that's not too bad. So my online fashion store is $9 a month. They do have the cute basic clothes, which I like. You know, I'm into basic stuff. So with their app, you can see their selling price, how much to mark it up, and everything. It tells you how much it costs and all that. They have a description for you, and it syncs pretty easily with Shopify, just like DSER. And they usually already have everything ready for you. The only thing I recommend with my online fashion store is changing your title, when you're syncing the actual products from their store to Shopify. So like I said, you can sync 100 of items weekly. This is a good vendor. I've used them personally. And yeah, this is how it looks. It says your cost, how much to sell it for, how much the profits. This app, yeah, they're pretty legit, and they have fast shipping. It's a USA vendor, and DSER is obviously overseas, but don't get it twisted, y'all. DSER, AliExpress, they do have fast shipping. They have USA vendors in actually United States. So that's one thing about AliExpress, aka DSER. And then my online fashion store, their shipping does take about 3 to 5, or no, not 3 to 5. I would say 5 to 7 business days for my online fashion store. My online fashion store even has free banners you can use and sync into your own website on Shopify, which is pretty cool. And always watch the YouTube videos because, like I said, they got tutorials, y'all. So just so you are aware. And let's go to the third vendor, which is Fashion Go. Download it, but you can't install Fashion Go, which is the #1 place to find more vendors. If you're interested, check out Fashion Go. You will have to have your license, seller permit, EIN, stuff like that. So just be aware. But yeah, my online fashion store, they do have other vendors. With this app, it's kind of like AliExpress. They have multiple. So with this app, it's like AliExpress. They have multiple vendors you can import. 3 to 7 day shipping, US based vendors, and you can sync a lot of products, a lot of brands with this app. So Fashion Go is another app. They do have YouTube videos linked on the App Store in Shopify. If you don't know, I'm at the Shopify App Store. And I will always scroll down just to read it's free to install, read the reviews, you know what I'm saying? Just to be sure you guys get a feel of the actual app before you install it. So next vendor is Trendsy. This is a nice vendor. They do have USA shipping and overseas. I have ordered from them before. They do have good quality clothes. I don't think I've done like a live review, but I probably need to on my channel. They do have no monthly fees, no upfront inventory. They are free to use, fast and reliable shipping. Pretty easy. Like Trinity is like a vendor I would recommend. That's why I'm, screen recording them. They even have like live reviews of people, showing the clothes off. They have different items as well. Fashion, accessories, clothes, jewelry, workout clothes. They have like all that stuff. They even have like kid clothes if you want to start like a toddler boutique or a kid boutique. The Shopify App Store, you can only find it at their website. So this is a free vendor, USA, 5 to 7 day shipping. I will be reviewing them very soon. They have cute basic clothes, but they also drop ship. So right here it says join today. It's pretty much drop shipping. It says start drop shipping now. Then this will pop up. So once you click join now, it'll take you to Shopify Collective. What I would do is click let's connect. At that point, it'll take you to log into Shopify and you'll have to write the vendor asking if you can drop ship with them, which I've never heard of. It's my first time hearing about this vendor, and I'm going to show you guys how to sync with them in my next couple videos. So be sure you are subscribed to my dropshipping website. So be sure to check the link in the description, and I will be reviewing this vendor very soon. So if you stay to the end, y'all, this vendor is bomb. I'm actually about to order some stuff. Like, hold on. Let me show y'all what they about. I actually plan on using this vendor. They have really bomb basics, and I'm a basic lounge girl, you know what I'm saying, type of girl. Check the link in the description for all pre-made websites and vendors lists, and I will see you guys in the next video.